Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Filipino-style coconut macaroons, a delightful and chewy treat. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need half a cup of softened butter, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Also, prepare half a cup of all-purpose flour and 2 cups of desiccated coconut. Having everything at room temperature helps achieve a smooth batter, so plan ahead for success. Now, let's create that irresistible batter. Begin by creaming your softened butter and granulated sugar in a large bowl until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, add your 2 large eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition to ensure they are fully incorporated. Pour in the entire can of sweetened condensed milk and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing until everything is smoothly blended. Finally, gently fold in your combined flour and desiccated coconut until just mixed. With your batter ready, it's time to bake these delicious treats. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Carefully scoop the macaroon batter into your prepared mini muffin pans, filling each paper cup generously. Bake them for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. You'll know they're perfectly baked when the tops turn a beautiful golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. This ensures a wonderfully chewy texture. Once baked, let your Filipino coconut macaroons cool in the muffin pans for about 5 minutes. Then, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. For a true Filipino twist, you can add a few drops of yub extract to the batter for a beautiful purple color and distinct flavor. Other popular variations include pandan extract for a fragrant green hue, or even a sprinkle of grated cheese on top before baking for a savory sweet contrast. Enjoy these delightful, chewy bites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.